Hello everyone. Today I want to explain verbal to non-verbal. That means from paragraph to any diagrams or chart. In this question, the information is transferred from a passage or a summary into a diagram or a simple bar graph or bar diagram. Sometimes line graph, pie chart, table form, bar graph, tree diagram, flow chart, web diagram, chart, a map, a fact file, etc. Now, format should be suitable for this question. Okay, according to this question, format should be suitable for the question. Use proper signs. For example, if boxes or arrows, whatever it is, use proper sign to indicate exact relation to the questions. Cover the concept or main idea properly. Use suitable visual presentation. If not mentioned any diagrams in the questions, then you have to draw suitable diagram. Never write like a passage. It's a non-verbal form. Means point wise you have to write. You read the passage or summary and point wise you have to write the answer. That means non-verbal form. So for this question, you will be given a paragraph related to some topic or event. You will have to pick out the main points from the information given and frame it in the form of a table. You read the question, okay? If they mention table, then table. If they mention any tree diagram, then tree diagram. If flow chart, then you have to draw only flow chart. If they mention a web, then you have to draw only web. A pie diagram, map, etc. Okay, mentioned in the instruction you have to draw. Which picture they mentioned, which diagram they mentioned, that only you have to draw. You have to convert verbal information into non-verbal information. Your written answer should contain only those words which are an essential part of the non-verbal presentation. Never add your own points. Whatever in the passage, from the passage you have to write only those words which are very important part of the given question. At last, once again you check the points that you have used in the diagram. It is very important to understand what is exact expectation in the answer. Actually, this is 5-mark question. Now listen, marking scheme, right, like this, okay, like this, see, marking scheme. For title, that means if suitable for the given passage, given question, if suitable title, then for that you will get 1 mark. Next, if you are covering all points given passage, means given passage, whatever mentioned, everything you covered, all points you covered, then again you will get 2 marks for that. Then appropriate graphic layout means that mentioned diagram and points, whatever appropriate you mentioned, okay, perfect you drawn, whatever it is, then again 1 mark. And overall presentation, total presentation, if perfect, then again 1 mark, total 5 marks question. So verbal to non-verbal, that means from paragraph to any diagram or chart. Okay, in this question the information is transferred from a passage or a summary. Thank you.